Hey guys, Cars with the HID Factory, and today I got this Chevy Silverado. What we went ahead and did on this one, we opened up the headlights, we color matched it to the truck, the gloss black, bezel, went ahead and did two projectors, the top projector, bottom projector, switchback sequential strip, switchback turn signals, these are DRLs as well, and the halos. So if you didn't catch all that, guys, don't worry, we're about to turn it on. I'll go through everything we did on this vehicle. Check it out. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn it on. So as you can see, the halos aren't on right now. I'm gonna explain those later. So first off, I'm gonna show y'all what the switchback sequential light does and the switchback turn signal DRLs. So when you're driving during the day or at night, you're gonna have this on. You'll have that bar in the middle and those two lights on as white. So when you go to make your left-hand turn, everything turns to amber. The middle one sequences out from left to right, indicating your left turn, and the blinkers blink amber. Once you're done with your turn, you complete it, you're done with that, it goes back to the sequential white. Again, these are called switchback, mainly because they do switch back from white to amber. What we did on this vehicle, we also did is halos. Those turned on. I mean, we did the HID kit up top and down low. So it's high beams became HID with a projector, and then we also did with his low beams. We did a projector as well. So you can see both projectors there. What the projector does, it helps you beam in the light, focus it in. You're not shooting 360 degrees. You're shooting right where you need it. Yeah, let's get that going. And so if you want to see against the wall, what a projector does. As you can see, you're gonna get the light where you need it, down the road. So you don't need to light up trees atop of houses. You need it down the road where you will need to see. That's what a projector does. You get this cutoff line, you get two hot spots, you get the light where you need it. All right, guys, and let me go ahead and turn this off and get to the Colorshift halos. So let me get these halos on. Alright, boom. And so on these halos, you can tell it's all going to be controlled by your phone. Let me get that phone in there. So again, whatever color you choose it on your phone. Cool thing again, let's do a breathe function. So as you can tell, it looks like the truck's breathing. You can make it strobe if you're at a rave. And again, if you just want the solid look. One more thing with our halos, unlike many of the other people, the cheaper ones, you're able to actually switch back with them as well. So just like your turn signals, when your halos are on, you're gonna make a turn, they blink on that side, and the cool thing about our halos, they go back to whatever color you had. So let's try that with a different color. Let's go ahead and do, let's do purple. So once you're ready to turn with purple, you get the amber halo. When you have completed your turn, it goes back to purple. So again, guys, this is all the customization we do. This customer is going to come back. We're going to do some rock lights on it. We're going to light up his grill. But this was the beginning of this project. With our app as well, you're able to connect different systems. So once you buy the app for the first time, you don't have to keep paying for it. You get installed, and after that, we adapt it to it. But yeah, guys, if you have any more questions, check us out online at thehidfactory.com. If you want to see more of these videos, if you want to try to find your vehicle, we're also on YouTube. Check out all our videos. Like, subscribe, guys. We're giving away prizes, so there's going to be a subscribe button down here to your right. Just like and subscribe. And yeah, any other questions, just give us a call. We're here at the shop. Thanks again, guys.